Prime Day 2022 is just around the corner and I hope you're getting ready for it. Jumping right into it, number one, you guys need to plan. So if you're watching this video, you're already off to a good start. Just remember that old expression, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Number two is look for ranking opportunities. So actually use a tool like Helium 10 Cerebro and do a reverse ASIN on your own ASIN and look for ranking opportunities. Number three, again, using a tool like Helium 10 Cerebro, do a reverse ASIN search on the top 10 competitors in your space and see if there's any keywords like that they're ranking for or that are high search volume that you don't have included in your listing or included in your original master keyword list that you can then add in. Number four, and this is a very powerful thing that you can add in addition to these other things, and that is setting up deals, whether it be 7-day deals, lightning deals, or even setting up coupons